To create a custom VSCode snippet, open the Code, Preferences, User Snippets menu. Select New Global Snippets File, type a file name, and press Enter. Now we will author our snippet using JSON. The name of this snippet is React Function Component. The prefix is the keyboard command we'll use to invoke our snippet, in this case, component. Next, we'll define our scope. In this case, it's JavaScript. This snippet will only work in JavaScript files. The body is the code that will be injected when we use our snippet. When using the snippet, each value in the array will appear on a new line. Here we're constructing a simple React functional component. As a final step, we'll define a description that will appear in a tooltip when using our snippet. With our snippet defined, it's now time to use it. Save the file and then open a JavaScript file to test with. As we start typing our prefix, we'll notice VS Code shows a tooltip. We can preview our snippet as well as read the description that we defined in our snippets file. Click or press Tab to invoke this snippet. You can see a predefined chunk of code injected at our cursor, saving us hundreds of keystrokes. If you create your own snippets, I want to see them. Tweet your snippets to me at Ryan Warner Codes, or check out my other snippets on GitHub.